Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix eBay suspension. Got hit with an eBay suspension? Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix your suspended eBay account and how to avoid it happening again. The first step is to read the suspension email carefully. eBay will send a detailed suspension notice. Know if it's for unpaid fees, selling violation, fake infos, or buyer complaints. You're gonna go to your email, the email you used in the eBay while creating your account, and check your inbox for the email you received from eBay. The second step is to resolve the cause. Now, if the cause is unpaid fees, make sure you pay immediately. If the verification if needed, just upload an ID or banking proof. This proves your identity. And if it's a policy violation, remove the restricted item and update your listing. As for the third step is to submit an appeal. And you can do that by going to the eBay Help Center Account Suspension Appeal and write a polite professional message explaining that you've corrected the issue. As for the fourth and final step is to wait for the response. Most appeals are answered in 24 to 72 hours, so be patient and avoid creating multiple tickets. If your appeal is accepted, your account will be restored. Always review eBay's selling policies before listing and keep your contact details updated and correct, and don't open new accounts while suspended, it makes things worse. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.